Hello mga brosies, welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm going to show you how to design your wall kitchen at the back of your stove or oven, and I'll show you how. At the moment I'm actually doing some cleaning, and the best way not to damage your wall is to put like this. Alright, as you can see, I put the mirror at the back of the range and the stove. As you can see, I put a tiles on it at the back, and on the panel on the left side and right side I put a stainless steel. As you can see, the reason why I do that, because when you have your stove on that side, and it will actually help protect your panels, so it doesn't actually burn them. See, the stainless steel. As you can see, I'm doing some cleaning. Look at that. Look how messy it is underneath. Okay, just to wrap it up. When you're actually doing some cleaning, to turn off your gas is to go to the meter in the front of your house and turn it off, and then also turn off this one. If you have this kind of bulb, when it's actually parallel, what do you call that? When it's parallel, it's on. When it's horizontal, it's off. Okay, so this one is connected to the stove, so you do not touch this one here. Only you have to do is to touch the one that's connected on the stove here. So you just roll it out and unscrew it on this side, but you need to hold this one here and then unscrew on the other side. Okay, sorry, I didn't see that. So what you do is do not touch this one, the whole thing, the whole pipe. You do not touch it, only the bulb on and off. From here, that's connected to the stove, is the one that's connected on the stove here, is the one that you actually lose it. Alright, so you lose that. You do not touch this one here, you do not touch this, you just have to lose the one that's connected here. Okay, that's about it. So if you want to learn something, that's how you do it. Okay, look at that. Now this is what you see, and this is what you see now. If you don't want to miss my video, make sure to ring that bell.
Say what?